Okay, so now I can subscribe, then comment down below, then hit the bell button, then press all, then wait in the description, then buy my merch, but not now. So, today I am gonna show you, we're gonna do this at the same time. Like, there's Google backwards or something like just like a mall, for example. Well, first we got to inspect, Google backwards. Yep, so that's what. Yep, that's it. Brad, I don't need that. I don't need that. Uh, I don't know how do I do this. What? That doesn't look like the same. Okay, I don't see any. Wait a second. We can bring the Google logo. And then, guess what? We are gonna delete this. And then also delete this. Then paste the photo. And that might be a great idea. Now, copy image address. Now, we got to inspect. That's our only goal. Now, okay, let's click this button again. Here you go. Now, so now we are gonna do this soon. Yeah, that's it. Let's delete this element. Okay, so there's nothing. Now it's time to paste it. Now it's time to paste the logo, and it has HTML. Okay, get this out of my way. I don't know how they do that for no reason. Okay, that's just a short command. Let's paste. Okay, that's good. It's out. Google! Oh, yeah, look at that. Alright. Now, we got to copy something. We got to paste something. Let's inspect. Now. Okay, I'll do that at the same time. Now, inspect. Now, what we're gonna do right now is to, it has HTML. Let me see. Aha. Okay. Now, let's erase this. Just like that. Now let's search Google or type in URL. Now attack. Yo! I cannot believe this. I'm gonna screenshot it right now. I cannot believe this. I'm gonna put it as my thumbnail. So that's what I just only wished for. Okay. Oh, yo, you better look at this. Obviously it says library. We are gonna delete that. We are gonna start deleting this thing. Yeah, we are gonna edit this profile later. Now, mailbox. Okay, let's delete this. Delete element. What? What? Wait. Here's the real one. What? I'm just wasting all of this. There you go. Finally. All right. Delete element. What's it's just like that. Okay, that's the dot. Delete element. Now we're gonna fast forward it right now. Now it goes to delete element. Okay, we can still do it through. But how are we gonna delete this element for no reason? There we go. Okay. My library. Delete element. This would take me forever to do this. It would. It would take me forever. Why it hates me like this? Okay, that's the last one. What? Oh, okay, finally, we got it. Okay, let's delete my buddy. Let's delete that. Now let's delete this home button. Now let's delete this home button too. Why it's still there? Well, they shouldn't copy it. My eyes were getting brighter for some reason. Okay. So that's the last one. That's it. Now, my profile was named Pizza Sauce. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Now, what we're gonna do is to edit as HTML. Now, what we're gonna do right now is to say pizza sauce. Okay. Now, what we got to do is to copy this image. Copy image address. Now, inspect. Alright. I'm talking about this. Okay, well, what's it that, let's scroll down for just a second. Oh, there it is. I finally found it. There it is, finally. Alright. Now, let's paste. Okay. Look at that! Yo! Well, by the way, I don't know why it said just like that, but that's just recent. They can still obviously think it's still epic. What? I cannot. Okay, what did this? Yo, okay, pretend this is my Google profile. Now let's search something. Look at this logo. Yo. While my mouse works like that, I just already deleted it for no reason. Well, that's it for today. Bye.